smile lights the ocean blue. From Laos green shores where the trade winds play, you came dancing into view. Eyes like the sea at golden dawn, hair flowing soft like palm breeze. Every step you take, my heart is drawn to the joy that lives in thee. Marama Tovata, my shining one, so joyful, so happy, so bright. Loloma, my heart has begun to sing your name through the night. You're the most beautiful woman I've seen, a gift from the islands, a dream so serene. Bula to your laughter, Bula to your grace. Lisa, my love, in your light I find my place. Your smile fills the air like frangipani sweet, a melody no storm can take away. In every glance my soul feels complete. You turn the simplest moment into magic every day. From village songs to quiet evening fire, your spirit glows warm and true. No words can hold what my heart desires, just to walk this life beside you. Marama Tovata, my shining one, so joyful, so happy, so bright. Loloma, my heart has begun to sing your name through the night. You're the most beautiful woman I've seen, a gift from the islands, a dream so serene. Bula to your laughter, Bula to your grace. Lisa, my love, in your light I find my place. This is no grand poem, no fancy vow, just a quiet token from me to you. For every time you smile I feel somehow the world is kinder, the sky's more true. Thank you for being, for shining so clear, for bringing the sunshine year after year. Marama Tovata, forever my song, joyful and happy where you belong. Loloma, forever in my heart it will stay. Beautiful Lisa, come what may. Bula, my love, Bula always. With all my appreciation and Loloma.